case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The debate over subcontracting labor led to a significant 1964 Supreme Court case when Fibreboard Paper Products Corporation and the United Steelworkers of America, Local 1304, locked horns over the issue. The bone of contention lay in the company's decision to contract out maintenance work, previously performed by the union's members, to an external agency without first negotiating with the labor union. This move by the company brought into question matters of labor rights and collective bargaining principles. This legal tug of war originated in September 1958, when Fibreboard and the union entered into a collective bargaining agreement that was intended to last until July 1959. However, as the contract neared expiration, the union expressed a desire to modify its terms. The corporation dragged its feet on responding, and before talks could begin, unilaterally decided to outsource maintenance work. This led to a lawsuit where the union claimed a breach of labor laws by the corporation. In the initial proceedings, the lower court failed to acknowledge outsourcing or contracting out as a compulsory subject of collective bargaining under the National Labor Relations Act. The case finally scaled up to the U.S. Supreme Court, where the previous ruling faced successful appeal by the National Labor Relations Board. The Supreme Court overturned the decision, asserting that the act of contracting out indeed constitutes a vital part of employment terms and conditions, making it thus a mandatory topic for collective bargaining. Observing that maintaining wage structures and labor conditions was a crucial concern for such negotiations, the court sided with the workforce. It ruled that the Fibreboard Corporation had violated the National Labor Relations Act by bypassing discussions on outsourcing maintenance work. Taking into account the broader implications, the court underscored the importance of good faith negotiations in labor contracts, even if it meant cost implications for the businesses. It laid down a ruling ordering Fibreboard to reinstate the displaced employees, restart in-house maintenance operations, and ensure prior discussions with the union on any future outsourcing plans. The Supreme Court verdict ensured the restoration of the status quo, a significant win for the right to collective bargaining.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.